What's up everybody, my name is Ronnie and this is
Brenda
and we are
Talez.
So today we'll be having a look at two of the top trending mid-range devices that are both affordable and haven't been released for more than a month. And these are
Infinix Hot12i
and Tecno Spark 8C. So starting with the exterior of the phone, and the most noticeable thing is the camera setup. So this looks like a triple camera setup, but it's actually a dual camera setup. The third one at the bottom is actually a gimmick. It's just like it's a painting, make it look like a camera. While
this is actually a triple camera setup. Oof, Aibo. And of course it is weightless.
This is actually a bit on the heavier side and it's a bit thicker as well. And coming to the rest of the body, apart from the finishes on the back, which are slightly different, you can tell that they have similar layouts of the ports as well as the buttons on the sides. And coming to the displays, they both have IPS LCD 6.6-inch displays, which are surrounded by huge bezels as well. But one advantage that the Tecno Spark 8C has is that it has a 90 Hz refresh rate, so it will be much smoother and it will feel much quicker when you're using it. And jumping into the software side of things,
both coming with the Android 11 Go edition straight from the box.
Sadly, but you might get updates later this year or never.
Both support 4G network and have similar 5000 milliamps, and on storage side
we have 64+3 with the same included feature of memory fusion, where you can have up to 6 GB of RAM by taking a portion of your internal storage and using that as a virtual memory. Talking about the cameras now.
This one has 13 megapixel each, which we have wide camera, main camera and telephoto camera.
And these are also all 13 megapixels for the wide camera as well as the main camera sensor. And the front cameras, they both have 8 megapixels as well.
Just for selfie side.
And price-wise, finally, this is actually the cheaper device of the two, coming at 240,000 Tanzanian shillings.
And you can get this one for 270,000 shillings.
Oh, and that's the phone that comes with the antibacterial material finish. So keep that in mind.
Don't forget to subscribe,
Like,
comment,
share, and turn on the notification bell icon.
Aibo.
Aibo.
Ciao.
Ciao. Today we'll be having a look at the two of the
207 shillings.
207, 270.
270 laki mbili na sabini.
So keep in mind for the price.
Yeah.
Keep that in mind when you consider the price. So keep in mind when